Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. We are gonna get into it and see what type of wig we're working with today, and I'm super excited. It's always a pleasure to do an install, right? An installation of a new wig to see how it looks. You guys know the wigs come in a bag. I think Beauty Forever changed their packaging or something. I kind of like this. It's giving eye hand, okay? Now we have everything in the package, which we have wig caps, edge band, a edge brush, and of course the wig. Let's talk about the wig. This is 24 inches and it's water jerry curl, I believe. Okay, so I think this is a two-tone texture wig. Let's get into it. I'm excited for this because I did a hair like this before and I love how the curl pattern was. But let's not get into it too much. Let's talk about it. It's a 13x4. Look at that lace. Like, you cannot beat that lace. You see how beautiful that is? This is also beginner friendly. Don't watch because it's a 13x4. You can install this yourself, and they already made a middle part, which we're gonna show you guys that you can freelance with this wig. So I'm excited. My main feature of wigs now is the drawstring. Beauty Forever, they made sure that they have drawstring to their wigs, so it's easy for us, beginner friendly for everyone. This is how it works. This is how the drawstring looks. All you gotta do is, once it's on your head and it's one wig fit any head size, all you gotta do is install the wig, put it on your head. Once it's on, you are going to pull that string, and to secure it, you are going to place that thing right there down on it. Also, to make sure it doesn't move, there is this that you're going to pull down, and this, the extra strap, you are going to tuck it under your wig. So always remember that you tuck it. Now everything will be snatched on your head. That's how they create it. But let's get into this wig. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I'll tell you guys more about this wig, and it's pre-everything. Okay, listen, I told you guys that this wig is water wave and curly, jerry curl. So it's two textures mixed together. You cannot beat that. It's also a highlighted wig. This is how it looks. Once we add this to our hair, you guys will see the two textures, how they look together. Absolutely love it. It's a frontal with a drawstring. I told you guys that already. It also have a band, so even though we have a drawstring, we do have a band working with as well. Love that. And it's very much adjustable. The drawstring showed you, it's right there. And I love my wigs with a comb at the back because it helps to feel secure. So I absolutely love the overall. It's a pre-everything wig. The lace is already cut. It's pre-part. We have the tabs for persons who want to go glueless. I'm gonna spray my wig down, and I love the lace. The lace is absolutely beautiful. So we are gonna get into prepping this wig, and we're gonna design this together. We're gonna style it together rather. I'm so excited to show you guys the color. You've seen the highlight, but I'm definitely gonna step outside to show you how beautiful this wig is on the outdoor, because obviously I'm recording indoors. But for me, looking at the color, I love it so far. We are gonna go ahead and start with the install. Do it together. It's gonna be very easy, not because you hear that it's a 13x4. If you guys notice, they made it also easy where you can use the tabs just in case you don't want too much. Okay, all right, so let's do that, and then I will show you guys the curls. When two curl pattern comes together, that's what it is. So let's get into it. Alright guys, the lace is on. Yes, I didn't add makeup to it because it's perfect. Now, I love how snatched it is on my head size. I didn't have to cut no extra lace or anything, so that's perfect. Now, what I'm gonna do is I am going to go in. We're not gonna create any baby hair because I feel like we have the perfect lace, but I'm gonna go in and take out some of the hair, just small amounts, just really small amounts of hair like this. But first we're going to use a hot comb, trying to show you guys how you work with, you see that? I didn't even, oh, I love this. We are going to cut these off. Hot comb is going to help to melt everything in. I think I need to add a little bit more right here just to take off, and then small adjustments just to finesse the lace a little bit so it have a more natural looking and it doesn't look like something sitting on my head. So I'm just going to create these small little mini small baby hair just to bring the lace in for a more natural look, and that is something that I like to do. It's not a big deal, you don't have to do it, it's just my preference. And that's it, just kind of, you know, do a little something. Doesn't have to be perfect. And if you need to go in, cut some more, you can definitely do that, because that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Spray a little bit more, tap. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick, and then I'm gonna go from there. Use your flat iron to help you mold everything in. Real pretty, simple. For a frontal, I'm not gonna lie, this was easy, and it's a preference with me. I like to leave. You guys see that, Liz? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go in, we're gonna wet this down. I will show you guys how I wet it down. It's very easy. The wig is actually complete. But first, let me use a hot comb, and then we're gonna wet this down to see the curl. And then I'll show you guys once the curls are dry. That's when I want to show you guys the finished look, and then we are gonna go in and restyle the wig. So for now, all we gotta do is wet this down. You see that lace? While we do that, I'm definitely gonna tie the wig down, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna show you guys how I wet it down, and then we will be back. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave the hair, let it self dry. I will be back. I have stuff to do, so instead of using the blow dryer, I'm gonna let it self dry, and I'll come back and show you how it looks. And also we're gonna do a side part just to see how the curls hold up. But this is a two texture, so it's a curly water wave wig, water curly wig, whatever you want to call it. So it's a mixture of curls, hence why I want to see how it looks if we create a side part. So I'll definitely be back. We're gonna see the curls, how they come out, and then we're gonna style it again. Okay guys, I am not gonna lie, look at this look. You see this? Oh, I went ahead and I did my makeup, but I wanted to show you guys how beautiful this hair looks. It is amazing. I like it. The curl, I think I like this curl now because it's two different textures. You see that? And yeah, it's not dead. The curl pattern is not dead. It's very nice. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Yeah, the mixture of curls, it's very pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, I want to see if I can get, you see that? Spectacular, girl. Okay, guys, we are gonna create a side part just to see how the curls would flow, and I know it's gonna look nice. I just wanted to show you guys. Now, you see how those curls are. I will definitely show you guys, insert clips to show you a better view of how the curls are. They are not the curls, but the color, and this color is giving. I actually feel like I want to go do something, you know. Now we have the middle part. It's a 13x4 lace. You guys already saw that. If you haven't, this is how I do it. This lace is everything. It is so perfect. I'm in love with the lace. I really, really love the lace. I didn't add makeup to it, nothing, but it is perfect. Now we are gonna create the side part, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. But Beautyforever, you did this, okay? These two different curl pattern wigs, it's giving. Look at that. It's real giving. So I really like it. And I love how full it is, but it's not puffy. You know, it's just a vibe. I like it. So, shall we show you guys how this parting is? You see that? Very cute. Alright, y'all, I am giving you guys real raw review. It's been 6 hours since I did my hair, and this is how it looks. I was so busy I couldn't come back and show you guys the final look for the side part. Now look how beautiful this lace is. 13x4, it's a full-on lace at the front, and the curls are to die for. This is amazing. I love the side part. I love the middle part. Both look so nice. They all look cute. I don't know. I keep leaning to a side part, but it looks so good. Thank you to Beautyforever for this gorgeous wig. I absolutely love it. It's stunning, and you guys need it. I'll definitely have a discount code in the description for y'all, so you better check it out because this is needed, okay? If you want a pop of color, you need this wig. It's stunning, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look so nice on any complexion. This is amazing. My makeup looks so nice with it. Everything is completed. I didn't have to add any makeup to the lace. All I did was part the lace. You can go in and check the parting. Look at that. How stunning is that parting? If you guys go and check it out, you see that? No matter where you part, it's gonna look really, really nice. Look at that. See that? Let's go through it and look at that. You see that? The lace is, they did their thing with this. I didn't have to add any makeup or anything. Ooh. Look at that lace, how melted, and you guys know I didn't use any glue. I used the Gots to Be spray, or the Ebin spray rather. Now this is nice. I really, really like it. This is my wig for the rest of the week. Yes, I will not take it out. So tell me what you think. Do you like this wig? What are your thoughts? You guys should check the description rather. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you to Beautyforever for sponsoring this video again. Lovely wig. I do appreciate it. It is stunning. Okay, let's get into the cute part. You see that color? This is what I love about the wig. I really wanted you guys to see the color of the hair, how beautiful it is. Now this is how it looks.